In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the brightness slider missing in Windows 11. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by checking your quick settings panel. If you don't see the brightness slider at the bottom, you'll need to troubleshoot it through System Services and Drivers. First, click the Start button, type Services, and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down until you find Display Enhancement Service. Right-click on it and select Properties. Inside the Properties WAS's window, set the startup type to Automatic, then click Apply and OK. After that, right-click the same service again and select Restart to refresh it. Once done, you can close the Services window. Next, go back to the Start menu, open the Settings app, then click on Windows Update from the left-hand sidebar. Click Check for Updates to install any pending updates, especially display-related drivers. Now open the Start menu again, type Device Manager, and press Enter. In Device Manager, expand the Monitors section. Right-click your monitor and select Update Driver. After updating, right-click your monitor again, select Properties, go to the Driver tab, and click Rollback Driver if the option is available. This can help if a recent update caused the issue. If you're using multiple monitors, make sure to repeat this process for each one. Next, expand the Display Adapters section. If you see any device with a down arrow, right-click it and select Enable Device. Then right-click your graphics card, such as Intel or NVIDIA, select Properties, go to the Driver tab, and click Rollback Driver if available. If the issue still isn't fixed, right-click your display adapter again and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstall. Your screen may go black for a few seconds, which is normal. After that, restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the display drivers during startup. Once your system is back on, check your quick settings or display settings again to see if the brightness slider has returned. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.